everybody, I'm here today to show you how to turn left using push-pull steering. Push-pull steering is an awesome steering method, and I'm going to show you how to make left-hand turns using this method. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to start off by showing you how to do it right here without actually moving, and then I'm going to get on the road and in this parking lot, and we'll make a few left turns and probably a few right turns too to show you exactly how it's done. Let's get right to it. Here's the steering wheel, okay? Now with push-pull steering, your left hand pretty much always stays to the left of the steering wheel. Your right hand always stays to the right of the steering wheel. You want to start off by gripping the wheel at 10 and 2. Now if you can imagine that this is a clock right here, this is 12 o'clock. And we have 2 o'clock here on the right, so 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Then we have 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So this will give you a nice balanced approach. Now, as you're driving like this, when you're ready to make your left-hand turn, this is how you make a left-hand turn with push-pull steering, okay? So, I'm taking my left hand, I'm releasing my right hand, and I'm using my left hand, but my right hand stays right here for now. I'm using my left hand to pull the wheel down. And as my left hand pulls the wheel down, my right hand, which is free from the steering wheel, is moving down to meet it at the bottom, which is about the 6 o'clock position. Now, I grip the wheel with my right hand and I release my left hand. And my right hand just gets this wheel and sort of pushes it up while my left hand meets it at the 12 o'clock position, okay? My left hand then, once again, pulls the wheel down. My right hand then pushes the wheel up, just like that, okay? Now this is how I would go backwards like that. So once again, 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, just like this. I'll do it a little bit faster, and I won't be explaining it as much, okay? So my left hand does the work, right hand does the work, left hand does the work, right hand does the work, just like that. All right, now let's get right to it. Put the car in drive. Hopefully the camera doesn't move too much and we can stay in this area right here. If it does, I'll try and adjust it so that we can see the exact steering wheel and the steering method. Now let's get right to it. I'm in a parking lot. I'm gonna see if I can actually just maybe do a few loops around this area right here in the parking lot to show you how to make the left hand turns with push-pull steering. All right, so I'm gonna start off by making a left hand turn onto the street right over here. So I'm gonna come to a complete stop, left signal goes on, checking my mirrors, checking my blind spot, looking for traffic. It is safe to make this turn. So once again, I'm starting with my left hand doing the work, right hand does the work, left hand does the work, and then I release. There's a left hand turn using push-pull steering. Let's try it again. Now I don't think I'll have to stop here because it looks like there's no traffic. We're good to go. So once again, push-pull steering, just like that. We're gonna just do another quick loop around here and then I'll show you some more left-hand turns within the parking lot zone. Once again, push-pull steering, just like that. All right, now this is a tight area, that's why I had to turn the wheel back a little bit. It's a very tight area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a right-hand turn right now. I'm in the parking lot, so I'm doing the same thing but a right-hand turn version now. And I'm just gonna make a few left-hand turns over here so you can really see over and over again how it looks. And I'll slow it down, so check this out. I'm gonna do a very slow left-hand turn using push-pull steering, just like this. As you see right there, I'm able to make this turn like that. I'm holding the wheel like this. When you're ready to release the wheel, you release the wheel. And I'm driving again. We'll make another left-hand turn using push-pull. So I'm at the 10 and 2 o'clock position. Once again, left hand does the work, right hand does the work. Left hand does the work, and I'm holding it here. I'll release it a little bit so I can actually make a full turn over here, just like that. I'll do it a little bit faster now. So I'm driving a little bit faster, therefore I'm gonna have to steer faster, just like this. One more time, we'll do it even faster this time. Let's speed up a little bit. All right, we're just driving. Here we go. And you can actually hear the wheel steering and sliding through my hands. And that's basically it. It's actually a very simple steering method. Once again, I'll just demonstrate it one last time while I'm not moving before I finish this video. Holding the wheel at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, you're using your left hand to pull the wheel down while your right hand releases and meets it at the bottom. Then your right hand pushes the wheel up while your left hand releases and meets it at the top. Left hand does the work, right hand does the work. You're just alternating. It's like they're working together. Left hand is doing the work, then the right hand's doing the work. Then the left hand's doing the work, then the right hand's doing the work. Now the coolest thing about push-pull steering is that both hands are always moving, right, in the same direction. Both hands are sort of going like this, right? But what's happening is only one hand is actually gripping the steering wheel and the other hand is sliding. So right now my left hand is gripping the wheel while my right hand is sliding. Now my right hand is gripping the wheel while my left hand is sliding. Left hand grips, right hand grips. Just like that. And then once you're in the turn, as you saw right there, once you're actually turning, you can just hold the wheel in the position that you're in and then release it when you're finished the turn and you're ready to actually, go ahead. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to make left-hand turns and, a left-hand turn with push-pull steering. It's actually a very simple steering method, a very useful steering method, a very effective steering method. And I've shown you how to make left-hand turns using it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips for using push-pull steering to make left-hand turns? Let me know as a comment down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.